What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm in a new location today in Walmart, of course, and I want to start with the tree skirts. My store is still not fully stocked, but I want to start with some really nice items that I've been noticing. These are all $36. We have the denim with the faux leather. We have this one, it's sort of like a tweed. We have the gray and white. We have the faux fur and sort of knit sweater look. This is, I think, out of place, but I really love how it's like shiny and painted like a ceramic down the side. It's like a ceramic meets wooden sort of look, and it's really cute. It's $14.98. It's a nice mix of two different styles. Joy. We have some trees. Again, the faux leather look with this sort of lightly flocked, glittery Christmas tree. This is $19.98. It would be a nice table topper or little piece in your living room. These little fluffy ones, these are definitely new. These are $19.98. Yay or nay? Would you do it or not? And then we have a more traditional one there. We have cute little Foxy for $6.98. Over here we have a big country sort of Merry Christmas sign with a little red truck. A very rural scene. This little wreath is back from last year. 25, I think it says 25.47. Yes, 25.47. Cute little buffalo check garlands. Joy to the world. That is $3.98. I really liked these last year, and I can't remember if they were the same as these, but they're like little cute little felt and sweater trees. We also have this one. I think these are $3.48 each. And then we have the little coordinating deer down below. Those are, I think the bigger ones are $6.48 and the smaller ones are $4.98. I mean, my store is not fully stocked, so it's kind of hard to tell like what the prices are for everything because there's a lot of space on the shelves. Now this one says $6.98, but it was hanging in a $3.88 spot. This is metal. It's really cute. I love the whole farm fresh truck with the tree in the back look. They seem to bring that back every year. Farm fresh Christmas trees, $9.94. That's actually correct. This is sort of like a rustic sort of vibe with the metal and the little turny wood handles. A little countdown with the bear. They're calling it the Bear Advent Calendar. It's $8.88. Oh, look at this guy. Aww. Yep, buddy, you're driving the truck, right? $21.98 for this little guy. Ooh, pretty. I like the sort of distressed, when you see it up close, it just kind of looks dirty. Now I don't know if I like it. It looks like someone just poured coffee on it. The bells sound really nice though. $8.48 for this one. More little red trucks, $14.98. These are $2.98. Yes, you guys, it is just a cardboard box with some stuff glued to it. You can make this. You definitely can. And I think you could probably make it for under $2.98. What do you think? We have another garland. It says Merry and Bright. This one is a houndstooth instead of a buffalo check. These little tags are cute. Little wood tags. Let it snow. And I like these. Burgundy and pink. We have pink and sort of a teal. And then we have some more natural colors, the brown and the green. There's more of those fluffy trees over there. All the Christmas trees. One thing about being out here by the garden center is that they always play the music really, really loud. So I might have to play, or I might be already playing, some Christmas music over this video. We have a lot of really cute small ornaments over here if you have a mini tree. This is what my store is looking like. Not really filled up yet. Ooh, look at this one. $1.98. The majority of these ornaments back here are just $1.98. Merry Christmas, also $1.98. Look at this cute little deer. The ballerinas are back once again. We have the light blue truck, little snowman, another cute little deer, a hippo, an alpaca. This one is not in the best shape though. These are also just $1.98. We have an octopus. If you love the Grinch, we have Grinchy tree skirts, Grinch plushies. I think he's $14.98. Look at that guy. Whenever I see him, I just want to try to do his voice. We have the Grinch tree. It seems like these beads are getting really, really popular. These are $6.98. We have some longer ones up top. We have some felted garlands that are $12.98. A giant gift bag with tag, and it's in buffalo check. Oh, look at this. $12.98 for the Grinch stocking. We also have Spider-Man and more buffalo check items. That's actually a tree topper for $9.98. We have elf tree toppers, Santa hats, elf legs, Santas, little snowmen. We have a buffalo check deer. Yeah, you guys, lots of buffalo check this year. If that's your thing, I'm really loving it. I love the black and the white buffalo check and the red and the black. I really like both of them. I just found the brand new Color Mania polishes. They're $1.98 from LA Colors. We have Fandom, Hooked, Super Bloom, Squeeze, Fanatic, Chaotic, Lyrical, and Culture. They are super pretty and super colorful. Just $1.98, a really, really nice price. And most of them have sort of a pretty iridescent shift. I'm not going to say they're metallic. It's more of an iridescent shift, but they are super, super pretty. Thank you, LA Colors, for sending me a sample of all of these colors. I can't wait to wear them. My other store had a bunch of gift sets that they were starting to put out. And it looks like this store has some of them too. I showed that in a thumbnail. Those are some shaving gift sets. And then it looks like the toy aisle is getting filled up, but I'm not really seeing the other sort of hygiene gift sets that we normally see. I'm mostly just seeing some Christmas items and a lot of toys. Oh, these are out. If you guys think you want to get one of these, definitely get them now, because last year these were really, really good sellers and they might sell out really fast once again. I know we have a lot of Care Bear lovers out there. Until my store fills up with more Christmas items, and hopefully that's going to happen this year. Until my store does, that's it for me. I'm just going to keep it with one video. I'm glad I didn't rely on finding a bunch of new things this week, because to be honest, my stores are just taking a lot longer to fill up this year. Ooh, one last thing. We have a brand new buffalo check table lamp. So cute, and it's $27.97. But all right, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.